This one is a new guy for the Ben 10 Alien Force Entourage. On tonight's episode, we're going to draw Lodstar. This half-bionic alien mostly has metal powers, and, well, basically this guy, I might consider this one of my favorites. Alright, so first of all, to draw him, we start with his upper half. Here's the Omnitrix mark on his chest. As you can see, his metal skull, it has zero gravity. Here are the yellow stripes. He looks like a yellow jacket. Here are the magnetic claws. It would be interesting if they had an ultimate Lodstar. That'd be something, huh? Here's the claw. And finished. There we go. That's how you draw a lodestar. Let's see, these claws here, that's what allows him to launch gravity pulses. That's one. This guy was easy to draw up. Anyhow, that's how you draw a lodestar. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And I want you to leave a comment below on which alien you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. And sorry about the last one, though.